Welcome to this peaceful aerial journey, filmed at 10:37 UTC, high above northern Iraq as we travel northwest towards the Turkish border, the early stages of a long track that will eventually carry us toward London Heathrow. At this moment, we are cruising at 41,100 feet, with a true airspeed of 486 knots and an indicated airspeed of 258 knots. From here, the world below feels both vast and remarkably still. Beneath us, the landscape rises into the outer reaches of the Zagros Mountains, a system that stretches across northern Iraq, southeastern Turkey, and into western Iran. The terrain here is rugged, red, and sharply defined, a place where deep valleys cut through ancient ridgelines and the morning sun draws strong contrasts across every fold of earth. Shadows lie long and dark in the hollows, while the ridges glow in the clear light of the day. Ahead and to the west, we pass over the Zagros Mountains, one of the first significant sub-ranges in this region. Further beyond, the terrain lifts again into the Matin Mountains, broad and striking as they push toward Ambience and the Turkish frontier. And far to the east, not visible from our precise route today, the dramatic Quandil peaks continue the chain in their own remote and powerful way. The sky above is a deep, unwavering blue, with only the faintest presence of high, wispy cirrus drifting gently at our altitude. Down below, thin patches of cloud cling to the valleys, softening the roughness of the landscape and adding a quiet sense of distance. As we continue on this northwesterly heading, the terrain will gradually transition. The sharp mountain textures will give way to a carpet of cloud, stretching out beneath us like a pale, unbroken sea. From time to time, the tallest peaks will rise through the mist, small islands reaching into the sunlight. Throughout the journey, you may hear radio chatter from nearby aircraft, a subtle reminder that even at these heights, far above the mountains and the noise of daily life, we are sharing the sky with others moving along their own paths across the world. For now, simply allow yourself to settle in. Let the steady forward motion, the open sky, and the distant quiet of the mountains create a sense of space in your day. This is your moment to breathe, to unwind, and to let the world drift gently beneath you.
is concierge 65 Mike, full 450. Southeastbound on Lima 750, engine Taboo FIR. Just check belt at time 0256. Make Cathy time 0301. Concierge 65 Mike is southeastbound on Lima 750. All stations, so this is Mike Foster 63557 in the Kabul FIR position after and 10257 level 370 southeastbound on Mike 875 estimating full at 0300 next dosage 0310 level 370 southeastbound in the Kabul FIR Mike Fox 63557. All stations think about you, Southern Cabo flight level 390 position runner, and on an airway 750, estimating Emron 0301 belt mix, Singapore GG Southern Cabo All stations with 15, flight level 370, southeastbound on Lima 750. We'll check additional recap at 0257, estimating code 0307. 715, flight level 370, southeastbound. position, good. Prometheus Ariana, some of the delay from Moscow to Cabo, maintaining 290. Now position with close and following Alpha 454 to Dhaka. Estimating time change position outboard. Next, USO estimate for USO 0312. Turkish 32 heavy, flight level 360 in the coverage area.
Double if I have.
All stations, EVA 068, Cabo FIR 50130, sonar EVA 05, position heavy on 0301, 50130, Bell set 0309, airspeed max 50130, Cabo FIR.
Ada angka peningkatan.
Nhưng mà để ý niệm rồi thì cái
As we come to the end of this short aerial journey, I hope these 15 minutes have offered you a moment of quiet space, a small pause in the day to reconnect with yourself. Sometimes it doesn't take much. A view that stretches to the horizon, a gentle rhythm of movement, a few moments where nothing is asked of you. If this helped you slow your breathing, soften your thoughts, or simply step away from the noise of the world for a while, then you've used these minutes exactly as they were intended, as part of your own daily self-care. You're welcome to return to this scene whenever you need it, and if you'd like longer versions, or more journeys like this one, filmed with the same calm and intention, you can find them through our Explore and Chill presence on Patreon. Your support there helps us continue creating peaceful visual experiences just like this, and we're always grateful for your feedback, your ideas, and the time you choose to spend with us. For now, take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry even a small part of this calm with you into the rest of your day. And when you're ready, we'll see you again in the next journey.
Join us on Patreon, explore, chill, and give your mind a moment to breathe.